In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Grammarly. For the people who don't know, Grammarly helps you in correcting your grammar, punctuations, in order to make your sentence error-free. So if you also want to sign up for Grammarly, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. First of all, open up the website of Grammarly, which is grammarly.com. Once you search for it, you can see this interface. Now to sign up for it, you can see the Get Grammarly Free on the bottom or on the top right. So just click on this button and it's going to take you to the sign up page. Now you have a few options to sign up. Either you can use your email, your Google account, your Facebook account, or your Apple ID to sign up. If you choose any of these options, you'll be immediately signed up for Grammarly and you don't need to create a password. But however, if you choose the email option, you'll need to type it in. So for this video, I'm going to use the email address, and as soon as you type in the email address, you'll get this password box. So create the password for yourself and then type in your name. Once you type in all these three information, you can click on agree and sign up. And a 6-digit verification code will be sent to the email address that you just entered in. So just type in the code and you'll be immediately signed up, and you can start using Grammarly by selecting these options and clicking on continue. Now here you also need to fill in and tell them more about yourself and what you're going to use Grammarly for. So that's how easily you can sign up for Grammarly. Now you can click on Get Grammarly for Windows if you want to have a desktop app. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. That's going to be all for today's video. Thanks for watching.